House of Improv, custom trial prep. Supply us with the details of your case and we'll play your witness realistically.
Sometimes there's multiple aspects of a patient's care that is out of the hands of the physician. And you can only, even following best practices, there's only so much one can do.
The sun was right at that point. As I was turning right, exactly at that point, it got into my eyes and I did not see him until the impact.
There could be a multitude of factors, comorbidities, age, all kinds of different things that per patient.
And I'm not doubting that he was injured at the time, but thankfully for him, and again, 90% of the patients with Glasgow coma score that he had, their issues and symptoms have fully resolved.
There's a multitude of hats that I've worn with the work that we've done together and the property management.
His work 2 to 3 days a week. He was working different. Sometimes he'd help, but with the helper, a house cleaning, but 2-3 days a week he did like floors, making wood floors. I don't know how you call it.
The black box has a limited amount of data. It doesn't, have everything for the entire life of the vehicle. But what it does is it constantly records like the last, it can be a lot of different things, but last, several minutes.
I got out of the car as soon as I could and I asked him if he was okay, because I wanted to make sure that he was okay.
It's not about finding anything. It's about evaluating it fairly and honestly. And that's what I do.
I have over 25 years experience as a clinician, as a researcher, as an educator in my field, and I have seen it firsthand, the differences when, in particular, in this case, it would be attorneys are present. And so a judge is not a doctor, and I am looking for the truth and the honesty and honest assessment of any patient. Our unique training as actors and witnesses will give you insight into how you make your witness and fact finder feel.
I'm trying to give you my answer is because of my practice, which is outpatient private practice, and the referrals I get, which are almost entirely mild TBIs. Yes, that is correct. You don't want to cut off the nose to spite the face. Yeah, that old saying.
A very unfortunate choice of words.
I guess you can call it, they went rogue.
To schedule your trial prep, contact Steve at houseimprov.com.